Oh, that's an excellent question, but I have to answer it in a very maybe or a little different way because my conviction is we do have, well, we've seen 7 projects after the first contribution day. Now we are counting, I think, 12 projects when we are done today. And I believe what is crucial to the community is now not dropping more projects into it. Obviously, if there are contributions from others, we welcome each and every project. But what is crucial now is also combining those to see how does project A work with project B, how can we maybe also create a technical baseline, which is the foundation of all of these contributions and not leave them as single contributions. And that's, from my point of view and also from our point of view, what we should work on in the community now. So there are a few, beside all the chances we all see. What is the reason why we gather in this community? From my point of view, one, for example, is that open source is not in general the answer to each and every question. So we are talking about like we need to join forces where we don't differentiate, but we also want to have a competition where we believe that everybody can differentiate. And I think especially in the context we are looking at here, so automotive, so software-defined vehicle, the big thing everybody is talking about is if you're having all this code bases out, which is coming from different initiatives, maybe even also different projects than just ours, how do you take this open source made software and make it automotive grade? So meaning automotive grade is how do you use that in a car which needs to be tested, which needs to be functional safe in the end, and then also be able to deliver that code into cars which are running on the streets for 15 years. So, and I think that's something which definitely is also going to be a challenge. I know there are a lot of discussions going on. There are also ideas how to deal with it. But if it comes to me, that's one big challenge we need to overcome, yeah. So from my point of view, I would come back to the first question, which you mentioned, like, right? So everybody joined this initiative and still they are joining, and I love to see that. We are talking about joint standards, which we need to create. And the typical movement you're seeing, and including ourselves, you're bringing in some contributions from the point of view you're seeing the world, right? So we are contributing project A and project B because we believe that's maybe a good joint standards. Others are doing the same. The benefit about, but only comes if you join those ideas and create one standards, right? So if everybody is just shipping its standard and says, hey guys, that's a new standard, come join us and use it, that's not going to work, right? So from my point of view, the way forward from here, where we already have a good basis of projects, of contributions, and we already see there is a good fit, sometimes also overlap. Now, from my point of view, the crucial task is to see how we all bring this together to one something meaningful thing.